With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, so the question is, the length of the string of a simple pendulum is measured with a meter scale to be 63.5 centimeter. Now the radius of bob plus hook is measured with the help of vernier caliper as to be 1.55 centimeter. Then we have to select the incorrect statement out of this four. So let's see the solution. According to question, it is given that the length of a string of a simple pendulum is measured by the meter scale, and it is found to be, that is, by meter scale, the length is found to be how much? 63.5 centimeter. Okay, while the radius of bob plus hook is measured with the help of vernier caliper, and it is found to be as 1.55 centimeter. Right. So according to this information, we have to select the incorrect statement out of this four. Okay. So we know that if we talk about the 1 centimeter in meter scale. Okay. So in 1 centimeter, there are 10 divisions like this. Okay. In 1 centimeter of meter scale, there are total 10 divisions. Okay. So from here, can I say that the least count for the meter scale will be equals to 1 centimeter divided by 10. That will be equals to 0.1 centimeter. So according to this, option first will become correct. That is, the least count of meter scale is 0.1 centimeter. Right. Now let's see for vernier caliper. So again, in vernier caliper, we know that the 1 mm contain again 10 divisions. Okay, 1 mm, or we can also write it as 0.1 centimeter contain again the 10 divisions. So from here, the least count for vernier scale can be written as 0.1 centimeter divided by 10, that is equals to 0.01 centimeter. Okay, so again, option second, that is least count of vernier caliper is 0.01 centimeter will become correct. Okay, now according to third and fourth, we have to find the effective length of pendulum. Okay, so for that I have to add these two, that is meter scale and vernier caliper scales. So the effective length of pendulum, will be equals to 63.5 centimeter plus 1.55. This will become equals to 65.05 centimeter. But here I have to consider the significant of digits. Okay, means if we see here, for the first one, here we have only 3 significant digits. Here also we have the 3 significant digits. So the answer should be up to 3 significant digits. That means it will become up to only 65.0. This 5 will be neglected. Okay, so up to 3 significant digits, the effective length of pendulum will become equals to 65.0 centimeter, and by the means of this, option 3 will also become correct, and ultimately option D will become incorrect. But according to question, we have to choose the incorrect statement. That's why option 4 will become correct answer for this question. So this is the required solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.